We haven't done a ZBCN video in a while. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll do these daily again. So we're on the daily chart on ZBCN and want to see where volume resides, and we can clearly see there's more selling pressure right here. We have 57k versus 48k sales versus buys, 120k versus 105, 233 versus 150k. This is like 55%, 200 more sales, 260k versus 230, 400. So the first accumulation area is basically this zone right here that we're getting right now. But to be honest, I want to be a little safer because we're getting good buys with the other coins. So I really want to see something similar to this. So basically, all of these levels have more buyers than sellers on the daily chart. So ideally, what I want to see is us dumping to any of these levels, and then we go pump to the point of control, which is basically this level. So be interested in seeing dumps, probably because of Bitcoin, not because ZBCN is bad, and then I'll be buying those. Obviously, this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet. If you want to follow my trades, I have a link in the description down below for my Signals chat and my course. And my Signals chat has my meme coin trades, which are up 280 grand on BOOX.